are back at another match tonight, and tonight I'm running my Glock 19X. I can't take it out right now because range rules. You got to be safety area to take your gun out of the holster. But run the 19X tonight. We're gonna see how this is going to go. So here's the first stage.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Alright, just ran my first stage, and I must say, shooting 19X, I think I might be switching, y'all. I've been running the Canik. For those of you who don't know, I've been running my Canik SFX Rival, and running that 19X just now, woo, it feels good. It feels good. I was 0 down, so let's see how the rest of the night goes.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
Just ran the second stage, and time only on that one. But the thing is, if you run in time only, that means you're shooting too slow. But in my defense, I think I'm shooting as fast as I can go. So that's what we're gonna count it as. Stage 2 is down, 0 down. So I'm having a good night so far.
Are you ready? Stand by. Load, make ready. 8 rounds only, correct?
8 rounds. No.
Point at any one of the target faces you want, we can't know.
Oh,
Shoot to the head, we can't know.
gotcha.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Whoops. Whoops.
All right, if finished, unload, show clear, slide forward, trigger, hold trigger. Range is clear, 30, 67.
Oh my gosh, that stage right there, we had to shoot with the weekend 2 shots to the head on the first row, 8 shots total. Reload, shoot 2 shots to the head on the second row. It's on the screen. 30 something points down. That go to show you what I need to work on. So, oh, that was crazy. But hey, you will never know if you don't get out here and do it.
Are you ready? Stand by. Stand by. Clear, slide forward, pull the trigger, holster. When it's clear, time 1926.
All right, just ran stage number 5. I don't know what number I'm on at this point, but we had to shoot from about 18 and 20 yards, I think it was, 2 shots to the body. So I had 6 down. Time was great. It was like in the 19s or something. But I don't know.
Shooter ready? Stand by.
Just shot the 5th stage, and it's great. I had more down than what I thought. It was only 3 down, but I actually thought I went 0 down, so it's all right. Let's keep going to the last stage.
Fire ready. Stand by. Fire ready. Stand by.
Hey y'all, we just pulled up to the range for another match today. It is beautiful out. I think it's like only, I don't know, like 75 maybe. The sun is out, but it's like 75 degrees, and it's a beautiful day to shoot. A lot of y'all been asking, if I haven't already put it in the video by now, but a lot of y'all been asking what camera this is. This is the Insta360 Go 3S that I've been using for POV, and I think that's it. So let's get ready to shoot this first stage.
Stand by. Stand by. If you are finished, unload and show clear. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
Just shot my second stage and it felt really good. I was very focused. The grip out here is kind of muggy. Hands are slippery, so I might need to look into some type of adhesive or something for my hands. But I was one down on that stage, shot it really well, and had a good sight picture that time. So on to stage number 3.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, so I didn't have enough storage to finish off that stage, but I did finish with one down. It was a really good run. So hopefully I can get these next 3 stages with enough storage. All right, y'all, I am having technical difficulties with audio today and video. Insta360 died. Phone doesn't have enough storage, so at this point I don't know if y'all are getting footage or not, but if you are, things will progress as normal. If not, I'll just put the times and the stages on there, but hopefully we can get this thing back rolling.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Yes, you are finished unloading. Show clear.
All right, I don't know what stage I'm on at this point because I've been trying to get my technology together, but very good run that time. I felt very smooth and like had it all together. I had 2 down, but the way I was moving felt really good. So on to the next stage.
Oh God! He was hoping to get a freebie 5-pointer.
Are you ready? Stand
He was
by.
hoping to get a freebie 5-pointer.
Yep.
If finished. Show clear, if clear, slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear.
No
2, 2,
chance.
8, 8.
Whew, just shot the last stage, and today was a great day. That stage was my only stage that I had like a lot of points down, which was only 4, but today was a great day. It's fun, and until the next one. Hey y'all, welcome back, and we are headed to another gun competition in IDPA, and I'm sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I don't know why, but I don't know. My kids are out of school, so the days are longer. They're more hectic, but I'm a little bit sleepy today. So hopefully things go well. I'm going to preference this particular competition today as your girl is sleepy. So hopefully everything goes well. I did go to Dutch Bros. If you're familiar with Dutch Bros, I went to Dutch Bros and got this Rebel. It's like an energy drink. So if you go to Starbucks, they're called the refreshers. So Dutch Bros, for I guess as long as they've been open, they have these Rebels, and I've never tried one until like a couple weeks ago. So I said, well, let me go and grab a Rebel and see if it can get me up. I got sleepier. So I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully it goes well. Normally these matches, I don't know if I ever told y'all this, but these matches that I go to on Monday nights, they normally start at 6:30. And depending on how many people are here, it should go to about 9:30, because they lessen how many people are in a squad. So we only have 3 squads as compared to the outdoor competitions that I go to. Usually those are 6 squads, and we get about 12, 13 people in those squads max. Sometimes you can have less, but when I go to these indoor ones, we are in squads of like maybe 10, sometimes 11, but it depends on the season that we're in, and it depends on how many people come out and want to shoot a little bit in preparation for like major matches and stuff. Either way, we are on the way. We are like 2 minutes away, about to pull in a minute, and hopefully I can just kind of wake up, because I made some ground turkey burgers with onions and gravy and rice, and I'm ready to get home and eat it. So I'm gonna eat first before I go to sleep. That's one thing I'm gonna do. So like I said, hopefully everything goes well. About to walk in here. Once I pull in, gonna walk in, and then I'll get back with y'all before we start the first stage. All right, y'all, we are in here, and I'm giving y'all a little bit more footage than I normally do, but I'm heading down to the end of the bay, because when we do the indoor matches, you have to come to the end of the bay and load up your ammo. Y'all see me? Probably not. You have to load up your not your ammo, but your Rudy. You have to load up your gun and stuff down here at the bay. It's recommended that you don't have your ammo on you when you do load up, put your gun on your waist. It's recommended that you don't have your ammo, so you don't be tempted to load rounds in your gun and blah blah blah. So either way, I'm down here, and I'm going to show y'all what I do. I think I brought this Springfield bag that my M5502 came in, and then I just open it up. I take out my mute, Glock 19X. So all I do is just make sure my gun is working. Ooh, there's the better lighting. I make sure my gun is working, and I load up my gun on my holster until we're ready to shoot. So that's kind of how it works. In competition, a little bit different when you're indoors. You've got to be super safe. So we're about to start shooting soon. All right, not the way to start out the first stage because I have a hit on the 9-3. I was one down, hit on the 9-3. I think I rushed it. So we're gonna have to clean this up real fast and real quick.
Are you ready? Stand by.
That was the second stage, and something funky happened with my trigger. Now that had me a little bit worried. It was almost like the trigger shoe got stuck. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but something happened with my trigger shoe, I would say. So that's why you're gonna see me, or you saw me rack the slide, because I thought it was a light primer strike, but actually my trigger didn't even pull back. So I don't even know what that is. So I just went down range to check out my trigger. Nothing seems wrong. It seems fine. So hopefully it doesn't cause me any troubles these next 4 stages. I definitely could have had that last stage or the second stage without having to be 20. I think at the time total time was 26. But it would have been better had I not had that hiccup, because that cost me some time. But things happen and you just gotta go with it.
You ready? Stand by.
Okay, that was a good run. I feel like I got my mojo back, and only had 1 down on that one, but I felt like my speed was better. I ain't gonna say great, because I got a lot to do and work on my speed, but I thought that run was great. So we're working on stage number 4 in just a minute.
Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
Okay, so on that stage, I could have been quicker. I do know that. But also, when I first drew my gun, I did not see my red eye. So it took me a second to find it, and I don't like when that happens. So, it was 0 down, but I could have been quicker. Like, probably a couple seconds quicker.
ready. 5.
Okay, that stage was decent. I could have, I don't know. I forgot that we were downloading the 10 rounds in that first mag, meaning, oh, let me just walk you through it. In the first target in the middle, you had to put 3 rounds to the body, 1 round to the head, and then the remaining targets you had to do 2 shots to the body. Well, we were downloading the only 10 rounds in the first mag, and I forgot when I got up to reload to drop my slide when I got to the remaining target. So that delayed me by like, I don't know, maybe a second, half a second. But everything worked out pretty good, and I did exactly what I wanted to. Also, I put all my mags on the table because in the event that the remaining targets, there was only 10 rounds left. But in the event like I had a malfunction or something, I wouldn't have had any more rounds. So that's why I put the 3rd mag on my belt, just in case I had like a malfunction or like primer strike, anything like that. I would have had another mag on my belt rather than leaving it on the table. So we have one more stage to go, guys, and I'm ready to go home and get my my ground turkey burgers and rice and gravy.
Stand by. Load and then ready. Ready. Stand by. Finished. Unloaded, so clear.
Alright, y'all, I just shot my last stage and I was 2 down, but I thought I shot it really well. It was 1 shot to the body and then 1 shot to the head. So you have to do it in that order: 1 shot to the body, 1 shot to the head. And I thought I did really good. And now that I think about it, I should tell y'all exactly what I be doing on these stages and not just shooting, because I think it'll be helpful to know what it is, because basically you have what's called a stage description. And so it tells you on here, like right here, what the stage description is, what you're supposed to do, what you're limited to doing, and that's just IDPA for you. So last stage was great, and I'm just gonna keep going with this competition stuff. I really think this is my area. This is something I enjoy doing. I'm a competitor at heart, so I think this is where my landing ground is. Well, I wouldn't call it my landing ground, but this is probably where I kind of like to do adapting the most. So until next time, guys, stay home, stay safe, and stay vigilant. Peace.